Self-Publishing Titans KDP sale of the year is live now. For the next almost 6 days, you can get 50% off on all of their popular lifetime plans. I have selected this lifetime and you can see the discount here. Save up to 50%. Some of the tools have 50% off and some have even 60% off and some as 40% off. So this is the Author Builder, brand new tool from Self-Publishing Titans. You can quickly build your author page with this easy to use tool. Then is the most popular Chrome extension. This is all-in-one Chrome extension for Amazon search suggestions, volume, demand and opportunities. You will get 300 monthly searches, top 100 competitor analysis. Previously it was $249. Now you can get lifetime access to this for only $99 during the next 6 days. Then is the hot niches done for you. Previously it was $216. Now you can get it for only $129. You will be getting 30 done for you niche ideas every single month. Then is their most popular KDP Masterclass by Self-Publishing Titans, and you can see it is normally $149, but during this KDP sale or year-end sale you can get this for only $89. Then is the Titans AI Book Listing Analyzer Lifetime. It is normally $450. You can get it for only $225. ARC Review Membership. You can get Amazon compliant review from real readers for only $149 lifetime. Normally it is $299. Then is their Ultra Max bundle. It includes all the main tools and services from Self-Publishing Titans. Normally priced at almost $4,000. Now you can get 50% off only for $1,992. There is Puzzle and Activity Bundle 1. It helps you create a lot of puzzle books, maze, Sudoku, word searches, crossword, letter, shape word, and a lot of other puzzles. It was $199. Now you can get it for only $119. Same is true for 7 backend keywords. It is 40% off as well. Then is Titans RetroView, Reverse Competitor Async Research, Rank Checker, Search Volume, Estimation, Analysis Scores. It's a really helpful tool. You can get it for $179 during this promo. Normally it's almost $300. Then is their Basic Plus bundle. It includes Titans Pro extension and Titans Deep View. It's normally almost $300. Now you can get it for $170. Next is Puzzle and Activity Bundle 2.0. It is their second bundle of puzzle and activity tools. You can create adding fraction, addition, pyramid, jigsaw, Sudoku, compare functions, sum search, ultimate addition grid, math crossword, and other puzzles using this Puzzle and Activity Bundle 2. It's 40% off as well. You can get it for $119. Then is Coloring Bookmaker. This is one of the best tools by Self-Publishing Titans. It helps you quickly create coloring books to publish on Amazon KDP. It has over 9,000 hand-drawn illustration and 150 plus categories, and you will have lifetime access for $89 only. Then is Mega Bundle. It comes with Titans Pro, Titans Deep View, Coloring Book Maker, Puzzle Tools Bundle 1, Puzzle Tools Bundle 2, Product and Async Tracker, 7 Backend Keyword Tool, Titans RetroView. You can get it for only $1,086. Normally it was $1,800 plus. Then is the Creative Bundle. It comes with Coloring Book Maker and Puzzle Tools 1 and 2, $294. Normally it was $547. Titans Deep View analyze 100 products at once. Niche Matrix, Sale Estimation, Key Matrix, only for $89. Then is their latest version of Puzzle and Activity Bundle, that is 3.0, like Word Hive, Circle Search, Hint Hunt, Grid Fill, Arrow Find, Letterman, Vowel Void, Xfinder, Cluster, Word Search, Woven Words, and a lot of others. Normally $199. Now you can get it for $119. There are other lot of tools and services by Self-Publishing Titans. You can check out the link in the description and also see the details. Like you can get KDP Title Creator. It's 40% off. Book Listing Creation Bundle is also 42% off. It comes with title creation, trademark checking, KDP guideline violation, book description generator, book pricing, listing translation, and spelling and grammar. 42% off. Now you can get all these 7 tools for $600. Research Bundle includes Titans Pro, Titans Deep View, Titans RetroView, and 7 Backend Keyword Tool. You can get this bundle for $470. 48% off right now. Then is Digital Titans. It is a keyword result tool for all the main search engines like Amazon, Etsy, Audible, eBay, YouTube, Google, Fiverr, TikTok, and Pinterest. Now you can get for $999. Normally it was $1,970. you can get 49% off. Then is the mega puzzle bundle. It includes puzzle bundle 1, 2 and 3. You can get it for $299 instead of $597. It's 50% off. Then is their coaching, direct access to Corwin. It was $550. Now you can get 28% off for only $397. So this was self-publishing Titans year-end sale. Most of the tools are on 40 to 50% off. Titans Pro is 60% off. My top picks include Author Builder, Titans Pro, Hot Niches, and this KDP Masterclass. You can also get access to puzzle bundles as well, and a lot of other tools are also available. Pick the one that suits your needs and your interests. Link is in the description below. It's an affiliate link. If you have questions, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.